Good day all. Now let us learn a small trick which is used to find the number of electrons emitted or number of incident electrons during photoelectric emission. Now to begin with, we all know that the energy, that is energy, the total energy is given by E is equal to NH nu, where N is number of particles, right? So we also know that power is nothing but energy per unit time, right? So substituting the value of he in the equation of power, we get power is equal to H nu by T. Here nu refers to frequency, okay? Here the nu refers to frequency. Now to calculate n, to find the value of n, I am rearranging the terms, and here I am bringing that is, it is like P is equal to N H nu by T, correct? Now what I am doing is, to find the value of n, let me change the color. To find the value of n, I am bringing T to this side, that is T to the numerator, and H nu to the denominator. So it becomes like n is equal to Pt by H nu. So we also know that nu is equal to c by lambda, where c is the speed of light, whose value is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So the value of n comes, the value of n comes to becomes Pt lambda by Hc. Now so the number of particles, that is electrons emitted per second, is given by per second, which means the time period t is equal to 1 second, correct? So substituting the value of t as 1 second, we get n is equal to p lambda, this power into lambda divided by hc. So the number of, here we all know that here in this expression, h is a constant, that is it is a Planck's constant, whose value is already known, and c, the speed of light, whose value is also known. Substituting the value of h and c here and reciprocating it, we get the answer to be around 5 into 10 power minus 10 power 24. So instead of calculating from the beginning, we can use this simple formula to find the number of emitted electrons just by using this formula, that is 5 into 10 power 24 into p into lambda. This is this formula, that is the n emitter is used in case of finding number of particles emitted per second, right? So for finding number of particles incident on a given area per second, you have to use the formula 5 into 10 power 24 into I, where I stands for intensity and A stands for area, into lambda. Here power is nothing, power, here we have to replace power as I into A from the previous formula. See, both are really the same, but except for the value of power, here you have to substitute the value of I into A, that is intensity, into area. Substituting the value, you get the answer to be around 5 into 10 power 24 into I into A into lambda. This can be used, that is these two formulas can be used to solve problems much easier in photoelectric effect.